Alright, this is the Rip Wonder. It's based off of the Sig Wonder. It was a kit. In fact, you can still buy it today. It's still in production. It's been around for a long time. It's a little combat plane. It was originally glow. I built one over 20 years ago. So, anyways, this is the foam board version. Basically what I did is just drew some measurements out. If you take the measurements and draw them out on a piece of foam board, you'll have all the parts. This is the bottom, and this is the back, horizontal stabilizer, and the elevator. For the top front, you can just use this again and just cut another piece shorter that'll fit on the top deck. That's pretty easy, straightforward. This is the size. Both sides are the same. There's a little bit of down thrust built into the front. The wing, you'll cut out, once you build your wing, just lay it over top of here and have the nose of the wing right there, and the bottom half of the two pieces that go together like this. One half on the bottom, one half on the top, and then your incidence will be perfect. So when you put your piece of foam board back here with your fins, everything will line up well. Here are the dimensions for the wing. I know it's pretty crude the way it's drawn up here, but what we got here is a 20 by 20 sheet of foam board. I've cut it down from 20 inches by 30 inches. So you've got a 2-inch aileron. Then you mark your center here at 9 inches. Right. All the information again is right there. So if you draw it out, you'll want to crease these ones and 45 these ones. I'll show you a little bit better on the wing. Again, anyways, you can just freeze frame that. Now, this whole airplane, I've never built it non-taped. All my aircraft that I build out of foam board, I either tape them or laminate. This particular wing here has been just taped with, clear packing tape kind of stuff. It's, you buy it in a roll like that or whatever. Just cheap stuff. It doesn't have to be expensive, and it works good. This is the side view. These are the creases, cuts and creases that I'm talking about right here. It's a 1-inch spar. This mark here doesn't get cut. It's just a guide for where the spar goes in. That one is 45, and for sure hot glue this one. Fold it back, hot glue it, hold it into place. I've done it where I've hot glued these creases and not, and it works both ways, so it's up to you. The back, the aileron is just the piece that sticks past, and it's 45 so that it'll function. Make sure you tape it well on both sides so that you have a hinge, and 2 of these makes a wing. It's pretty straightforward. Your vertical fins on the back, you can make them to whatever shape you want. Some people like to make them so you can actually stand this thing up and do vertical takeoffs with it. Can leave that up to you. The fuselage sides, my prototype, I only used one foam board sheet for the fuselage sides, and it worked, but over time it started to stress and it got a little mushy, so after that we started doubling up the sides. It doesn't add much weight. This thing is very light on its wings. It's easy to fly. It can handle no problem. You can put virtually anything you want in it for a motor. We've flown, put hot rod motors that went like crazy, and ones that just putzed around the sky, and it handles it no problem. It'll carry a 2200 3S battery, no problem. In fact, that's what I recommend in it. And I hope some of you guys build these things. Again, that's kind of a close-up on what it looks like. These were the options from Sig. I'll give you a little idea what it looks like. And if if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up, share it with your buddies. If you build one, I'd like to see the video of it flying. So that's it for now. See ya.